movement gesture to articulate the matter, many medical students conducted a walk in Nama City. Take a look.
A movement by the medical students from across the country called Save the Doctor took shape in Nama City too. Today, many medical students dressed in their lab coats along with a black ribbon walked from Manipal Center to Bal Bhavan in Cubbon Park.
So Save the Doctor campaign, you might think, what is Save the Doctor? Why do doctors need saving? Doctors do need saving because there is an acute shortage in postgraduate seats, right? So basically, doctor, as you know it, there is MBBS, after which a doctor does specialization. Now those specialized seats, right, the PG seats, it's very, very, very less. We have only 12,000 PG seats all over the country and 45,000 undergraduate seats. So every year there are more than 20 to 30,000 students where there is a backlog being created, and now we have more than 1.5 lakh doctors who are trying to get a postgraduate seat.
There are 47,600 UG seats which are likely to touch 50,000 shortly due to the progressive steps taken by the Medical Council of India. But there are only 12,000 PG seats in clinical disciplines. In comparison, a developed country such as the US, there are 19,000 UG seats and 32,000 PG and fellowship seats with a pass rate of 80 to 90%.
We want the PG seats to increase because in other countries in America and all, there are more PG seats than UG seats, okay. So it's so difficult for all the doctors to get PG seats here, and you know, so many patients are increasing every day and everyone wants quality education. So this is a campaign to increase the PG seats to make it as equal as UG seats or even more, that's better.
Save the Doctor movement started by medical graduates and students across India with the support of Association of Healthcare Providers and Indian Medical Association commenced in Bengaluru on July 29, 2013. This was followed by a large gathering at New Delhi where about 3,000 medical students came together for the cause. A candlelight march was then held last week at Jaipur, which saw participation of over 800 medical students.
All complicated diseases require specialization. The MBBS degree is like is a general thing, but if you have a specialization, we can cure this complicated diseases. So basically, more the specializations, we can cure these things better. And in fact, in other countries, we have more PG seats compared to UG seats. The main thing was like spreading awareness and trying to speak to the health minister. Like, this is what we want, the need for the people, and trying to tell them, convey to them that what the general health of the community of Indian setting is, so that they get to know that we need more specialization.
What we had today was a peaceful rally. Started off from Cubbon Road, the end of Cubbon Road, and up till Cubbon Park. We all marched. There were about a crowd of 1,000 students. We all marched all the way till Cubbon Park, and once we got gathered here, we had a small street play. To the gathering, telling about our problems and everything. And also we had a big canvas where everybody signed their signatures to show our support, and also a release of black balloons to signify that, there is a crisis that our country is facing.
The students also swept the floors and conducted a cleansing drive to prove their point. Will their appeal to the Union Health Ministry go unheard, or will the ministry actually do something to secure the future of healthcare in the country in the days to come? Shruti Menon for News 9 Bengaluru.